Hello everyone, it's me Sanjay Vasu back again for another video. I'll be doing IGCSE math practice questions in this video, and the topic is simultaneous equations. Let's start. Question 1. Solve the simultaneous equations. You must show all your working. We have y equals 3x minus 2 and y equals x squared. The easiest way to solve this is to simply substitute the second equation into the first. So we know y equals x squared, that means x squared equals 3x minus 2. X squared equals 3x minus 2. We just remove the y's and these two are equated. So that means x squared minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. We can factorize this as x minus 2 times x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x equals 2 or x equals 1. Now since we know the x value, we can find the y value. So y is equal to x squared. And in this case, it's equal to 1 squared or 2 squared because x is 2 or 1. So y is going to be 1 or 4. That will be our answer. So it's x equals 1, y equals 1, since 1 squared is 1. And then x equals 2, y equals 4, since 2 squared is 4. Question 2. The graphs of y equals 3x squared plus 7x minus 4 and y plus 2x equals 10 intersect at the points A and B. Find the coordinates of A and B. You must show all your working and give your answers correct to 2 decimal places. First thing we can do is write this in terms of y. Y equals 10 minus 2x. Now that means we can substitute this equation into this. So y we can replace with 10 minus 2x. So 10 minus 2x is equal to 3x squared plus 7x minus 4. That means 3x squared plus 9x minus 14 is equal to 0. And since we can see that the answers are given correct to 2 decimal places, we see that we must use the quadratic formula to find the answer. That's because we cannot find an answer to 2 decimal places using normal method of factorization. Let's go. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac by 2a. This is a very important formula and must remember. So minus 9 plus or minus root of 9 squared minus 4 times 3 times minus 14 divided by 2 times 3. Now this means, let's get our calculator out. Here we go. So first let's find what's the discriminant, or in other words the value inside the root here. So 9 squared is 81 minus 4 times 3 times 14 because the minuses cancel out. So 4 times 3 times 14, it's a plus now, so plus 81. We get 249. And the square root of 249 is 15.779. So minus 9 plus or minus 15.779, or actually 780, divided by 6, which is 2 times 3. And if we need to add this with minus 9, that means let's do minus 9 and then divide by 6 to get 1.13. And there's another value, which is minus 9 minus 15.780. So minus 9 minus 15.78, we get that divided by 6 is minus 4.13. Now since we have the two x values and they both are to 2 decimal places, we can find the two y values. So we know that y equals 10 minus 2x. This is what we've written over here. Now if we substitute x equals 1.13, y equals 10 minus 1.13 times 2, which is 7.74 to 2 decimal places. And now otherwise, if you use minus 4.13, that'll be 18.26 to 2 decimal places. Why are these 2 decimal places? Because if you have these two as 2 decimal places, these two are also going to be 2 decimal places because we're not multiplying anything more than once. The degree of this equation is just 1. Or in other words, the x has the highest power of 1. If you had x squared, this may not be accurate, but in this case, it definitely is because it's just minus 2x. It's the only x term. So we know that a is going to be 1.13 on the x and 7.74 on the y. And b is going to be minus 4.13 and 18.26. And of course, you can write a as this and b as 1.13, 7.74. Both are correct. That'll be our answer. And with that, I come to the end of the video. Yes, this was a short video, but these two questions are still very instructive, and they're the most usual kinds of simultaneous equations you will get in the IGCSE exam. Therefore, I'm showing these. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, share this video with your friends and family, and comment on how you think the video was. With that, it's me, Sanjay Vasu, signing out. Thank you. Bye.